Hey everyone, I hope you're all well. Today we've got a Y62 Patrol V8 petrol. We fitted a catback exhaust, which sounds killer. We've fitted the exhaust, we're going to UNICHIP it and we're going to tune it, see how much power we can get out of this thing. Come on down to the dyno cell and let's take a look. Alright, so the end result for the Y62 is a 31 kilowatt gain in peak power, and we've gained about 70 Newton meters of torque at the wheels. All this is going to result in better fuel economy, better throttle response, and overall more pulling power. So the customer should be happy with this one. Thanks for taking the time to watch our videos. I hope we're giving you some content that's keeping everyone happy. If not, feel free to give us some suggestions on what you want to see. Like our page, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.